welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. Like many of people asking me, please video making now they play and they read the grab a try game about. So guys, this is the more interesting and good game. Like I give you best strategy how to be complete to be this game meters 2000 meters. They all of everything more easily now, not to be anything hard, just to be watching my completely video. And request to you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and before sharing my video everywhere. So I hope you will be completely watching my video. So let's start this video. Okay guys, I will download this game. Like we grab a try. Alright games this. Okay guys, this the everything more easily no, not to be anything hard, just only I will be explaining you how to be complete to be these games. Okay guys, so like this is the more fast game. Sometime I'm be so disappointed about this game. Oh my god, but it's okay, listen me. When you will be starting this game, and first of all you will be completely watching this video, then you will be easily understand how to be complete to be these games, and more than I will be explaining you about this game. Oh my god, so much fast of this game. So before here be also to be available options like I will be show you. Actually add the video here be available now, because some of people sometimes not to be understand what is this, because actually add the video, this is the more important for you. When you will be watching actually add the video, then you will be earns more loss of coins and to be get your upgrades draw space. Because first of all when you will be starting this game, so guys you will be first of all draw space, you will be, oh my gosh, okay, so it's not a problem, just I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be these games. Oh because my mobile touch not to be good, so but I will be explain you all about this game and how to be complete to be this game. First of all guys, you will be purchasing like the draw space, because this is the more important options for you, because many of people sometimes not to be understand draw space what is this. Because if you have more draw space, so then you will be earns more coins and you will be easily to complete to be these games. Oh shit, but it's okay, no problem, but I will be completely guide to you how to be complete to be this game. And before you will be never skipping x3 at the video, but this time not to be available, but when you will be starting this game you will be easily complete to be this game. And I will be upgrading no draw space like B24. So this time you will be purchasing like B50 about draw space, and then you will be easily to be complete to be your games. And 50 above you will be draw space purchasing no, then you will be easily complete to be your game. Oh ho ho ho. Okay, and we will be again try to be speeding now, but I will be try to be explain you how to be complete to be this game. Because first of all your draw space is maximum like be 50 above you will be purchasing now, then you will be easily to be complete to be this task. And before you never be skipping x3 at the video, because many people like be ignoring this option, so then he not to be complete to be this task. So I will be completely explain you how to be complete to be these games. So it's okay, just to be try giving ops. Okay guys, this time I have more draw spaces coins, so I will be again to be draw spaces to be purchasing now. And step by step when you will be maximum 52 draw spaces, then you will be starting your game and you will be easily to complete to be this game. So I hope you will be understand now, and so I request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be more helping to you, and I hope you will be sharing my video everywhere, every there. So thank you so much for you watching my video, and love you guys. Thank you so much.